competition was the love of my life. We went down together, my life.
What's up guys, this is your girl Angeer and I'm back at it again. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Again, if you love me, subscribe. If you hate me, subscribe. Again, we share love. So for you guys are probably wondering what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to actually be doing a mukbang video, and I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of how I've been learning how to speak Korean. And for all my Korean speaker, 안녕하세요. 여러분 안geer.a요. And what you guys probably wondering what I'm doing right now. 나는 요리한다. I am actually cooking some food for the mukbang video that I'm going to be doing, and also I'm going to be showing you guys how I've been learning, you know, Korean by myself. I've actually tried to contact some tutors and stuff like that, but I'm still waiting on that, so hopefully I get the good news soon. So you guys are wondering what I'm cooking. I am actually, hold on, let me change this real quick. Hold on, okay? Alright, if you guys are wondering what I'm cooking, I'm actually I just finished cooking chicken stew. I just finished making some chicken stew. And then on top of that, I have some corn on the side that's boiling. And then on top of that, I'm going to be boiling a couple of broccoli. I'm going to be making some broccoli and then cauliflower on the side. And then on top of that, I'm going to be making, what do you call it? I'm going to be making a little bit of the... I'm gonna make a little bit of salad with avocado on the side, so be on the lookout. So cheers to you guys out there. Be on the lookout, because stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna be putting the whole food together so you guys can see that your girl Angeer knows how to cook. I know how to cook, cause why? Nigga, che, chala, ga. So let me drink this. And kids, this is just grape juice, by the way, if you're under 21. So I will see you guys in a few. Be on the lookout on the food I'm going to be cooking, and also I'm going to be sharing a little bit of the story behind how I actually got the Korean books. And you know, I think if you haven't watched the reason why I wanted to learn Korean in the first place, I had posted the video. Why haven't you watched yet? So go ahead and watch that video and then come back to this video and be like, oh my god. So I'll show you guys how I've been actually really training myself in reading and stuff like that. So we shall be back. I'll be back. See you soon. So what's up guys, so I'm back now. I went and changed a little bit, you know, had to get a little bit glammed up, even though I didn't change my pants, but it's still cute shorts. So as I told you guys early, 요리한다. I was cooking some chicken stew. I made some salad. I have my rice here, and then I have my broccoli and what's the other one? Cauliflower and my corn here. And then I made my own butter and what do you call it? It's a sauce that I actually made. Butter, a little bit of olive oil, some basil leaves, some other condiments that I can't really say. And what do you call that Hispanic? What do you call it? The little salty sauce. Right? Tahini. Yeah, put some tahini in there. Taste it. Want to taste it? It's really good. It should be sour, but it's not. So anyway, today I'm gonna be, while I'm eating, I wanted to talk to you guys like how my Korean is actually going right now. So I'm gonna start eating right now. So here's the soup. Okay. Obviously, I'm not gonna finish the whole thing, but so I'm almost falling. I'm probably gonna have to sit down a little bit more. so that's my thumbnail. I'm gonna eat this now. 맛있어요. 진짜 맛있어요. 맛있다. I'm not gonna say I'm a chef, but I can cook. Don't forget, I'm gonna have a little bit of my rice.
I saw you from the distance. Hey, you. Can we talk?
맛있다. So good. 잘했어. I did good. So Anna, I told you guys that I was going to be talking about. I'm going to try my best to continue talking while I have food in my mouth. So I told you guys last time from my last video that I was going to be learning some Korean and then that I know how to speak a little bit of the Hangul. And I promised you guys that I was going to be learning, I'm going to be fluent in it within 6 months or so. Alright? And that 6 months, I'm going to be very, very fluent. So I went on and I called the Korean center that we have here. I called them and I was like, hey, my name's Angeer and I would like to learn some Korean. Do you guys have any tutors? And what's up? Really? Anyway, like I was saying, I actually contacted them, and because it's almost time for summer, they told me that the classes were already over, so they don't have any summer classes for me to register. Guys, so the cauliflowers, I cooked them a little bit in a little bit of butter with a little bit of olive oil, and then I put some basil leaves on it and a little bit of sea salt. So it's really, really good. For the broccoli, I actually just sauteed it in sea salt because for some reason I like my broccolis to taste a little bit watery, like they have no taste, but a hint of the sea salt really, really helped it. Okay. Going back to my Korean, learning Korean. They did call me, and again, they told me that they're gonna try to find a tutor for me. So I'm probably gonna be going there for maybe two to 3 days a week, cause you know I have a full-time job. And my full-time job, I work Monday through Friday. Yeah, I got 9 to 5, and I don't like it. I hate everybody at my work. Not everybody, but I hate some of them over there. But I have to work because I have to pay for bills. And so the plan is to go take some of those Korean courses. Take the courses from 6 for 2 hours, 6 to maybe 7, 8. So it's gonna be hard to find a tutor during the winter, summer break. So I got some books from this one lady, a really nice Hajuma gave me these books. And I'm gonna try my best to be able to read them by myself, The first one is the Korean language, Intermediate 1 by Hee So Park, who has a PhD. It's a Korean American Center for Education. And then I have this other book. It's called Hangul Li. Hanguke, I think. As y'all can see, I can't really read Korean that much, but I'm learning. And it say Ip Moon Hyuk, I think. No, Ip Mo Pyo. Ip Myo Pyo, something like that. So see, I'm already like fucking up anyway. And it has like little, it's for children, but I gotta start somewhere, right? So I'm gonna be reading through that. And then this one have Chuki. This book, which she gave me. I don't know if you guys can see it. That one. So it's say from 2 to 1, I think. And it's like a more of like a story kind of telling. So I'm gonna be reading through that. It's nothing, there's no English subtitles. It's not like the Korean drama, so there's no English subtitles. I'm gonna have to just be able to study and read it completely. Oh, excuse me. Oh, it's hot. So yeah, and also I'm gonna be learning how to write. I know how to say a couple things in here. Again, for the intermediate, I did a little bit. Some parts that I read is Chigum Sesi Susipyo Bonioyo, and then Chigum Hansi Isip Bumyo. 지금 요뎁 시 오십구 돈이에요. And then there's 지금 내실 봄이요. 지금 됐었지. 삼퓨칠 봄이에요. So that's telling time. So I'm gonna have to learn extra hard, and obviously I haven't like gone around to it, so I'm gonna be doing that. So it's hot in here. I'm getting hot. So anyway, I'm gonna continue eating. So good. The salad has a little bit of mix. Do you remember what quinine is? It quinine? Quinine? What's the name of it? Can you look it up? It's red quinine. So for the salad, I put red quinine in it, which I cooked for like maybe, I'll say, maybe like 15 to 30 minutes. And then this, the salad has spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers. I forgot what this red stuff is. Do you know what the name is? This red stuff? Put the rest. Radish, yeah. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Nom, nom. So that's pretty much my plan to learn the Korean language. And then on top of that, I was talking to my boo thing about us getting back to like building our businesses and stuff like that. So that's something, that's another plan. So yeah. Also, honestly, I always lose my train of thought when I'm eating because food just, I don't know how these mukbang storytellers be doing it, because I'm trying to mukbang at the same time and talk to y'all. I just can't do it. I know he's bored behind the camera. Are you bored? I know. Okay. I'm trying to eat. You think I'm gonna finish it off? Holy cool. Did you get some salad? With the salad, the reason why I like putting radish, tomatoes, also quinine, red quinine, obviously cucumbers. Mix it in with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of the sea salt. Just makes it like perfect and simple, but yet still fulfilling. The quinine, for me, the reason why I put it in the salad is so it can fulfill you. For example, the people that are going, on a diet, but obviously I'm not on a diet right now. This is a good dietary food, in my opinion. So good. For the chicken stew, what I put in it was a little bit of the just tiny potatoes, which is a really good comfort food in my opinion. Really good.
Right now, no matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all is everything all right. Have more power. Life is so critical. There's something going on in your life right now. Challenge. I'm reminded, will the better care of you? Works.
It's really good, spicy, sour, really good. And then a little sweetness to it. Oh my god. I should really create that sauce and sell it. It's really good. Mm. Sorry guys, I'm trying to talk to you at the same time. But it's impossible. I can't do it. But in all, I just wanted to show you guys what I've cooked today. It's a little short mukbang, but you know, I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like, what I've cooked, and just did a little preparation. So we're gonna call it a short mukbang because I don't think I can finish all this food in camera. Jesus Christ. I don't know how they do it, you know, how they be sitting there and eat all this food at once. You guys must have like magic stomachs because I'm already full after all that. All right, so guys, I will talk to y'all later. I'll try to improve more on my, if you guys want, I can try to do a video with just me speaking nothing but Korean, but obviously I'm going to be probably writing all that stuff down, so because yet I'm not fluent yet, but I can read again, so I'm gonna try to make a video about that. But anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Wow, I took my last bite. It's so good. Have you tried this sauce? You gotta try it. This is really good. Peace. Attention, attention. My bad, don't come for me. I love food. And I attempted to do a mukbang while telling you guys the story of me learning Korean, but that shit didn't work out, so I tried to eat all that food, but I couldn't do it. So let me show y'all why the reason I cannot eat any food, because my ass is too freaking fat. Ass. You see that? I gotta work out. So anyway, I'll see you guys next time on my, I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, Haga, I'm gone. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a great weekend, baby boys.